Hey guys, so welcome back to Lex Read. So in today's video, you guys are finally going to see my remakeover of this room. As you guys know, last year I turned this room into a closet and a library, but I decided back in December where I wanted to just make this into a whole library because I just have too many books. I have over 800 books, and I know I probably have more now, but I was like, you know what, let me just turn this whole thing into a library. But I wanted to have the layout differently, so I have more space, you know, in the middle, and the way I just formatted it is perfect. And I still have my office setting, so the only changes is just the format of the room. I was able to put more pictures on the wall because I have more space, and then I just added little knickknacks here and there. So the color scheme is still the same. It's pink, gold, and white. And then of course I added new shelves because I needed more, you know, space. How I organize my books is by genre and by author. And yeah, that's basically it. Again, it's just little minor changes, but I just love the functionality of this room, and I want to show you guys. Okay, so you guys know I like to separate my books by categories and by authors. So for this section, this is all my Pinko Classic editions. You guys know I love the black spines, so I house them all here. Then the second row is African literature, and then it stops to Caribbean right here. The rest of this is Black women literature, contemporary, and a little bit historical fiction. And then same for this row. And then the row on the bottom, that is just miscellaneous books that I can't fit anywhere or does not have a category to put in. Next, these are on my Toni Morrison, my Angelou, Glary Naylor, and you have some Alice Walker, Ann Petrie, Gail Jones, and then this is all of my J. California Cooper. You guys know I'm doing her as an author project this year where I'm reading her whole fictional catalog. And this row is all male authors, so I have some James Baldwin, Richard Wright, Ernest J. Gaines, Daniel Black. And then the same thing for this with some Eric Jerome Dickey, Elin Harris, Ralph Ellison. Then the rest of the books, like on this side and here, are all non-Black authors. This row is all nonfiction. This shelf and this shelf is nonfiction. Got that cup from TJ Maxx. This is again nonfiction, and it's nonfiction slash autobiographies, biographies, things of that nature. In this row, these are all slave narrative or slavery themed books, and the same with this row. And then the last row is more miscellaneous books. I have some of my sagas there. I have a collection of Jet magazines, some F. Scott Fitzgerald, and then right here are some children's books that I could not fit. Now, this is like the newest thing that I really love about this room. I got this saucer chair from Burlington. Burlington is my store, as you can see, and I was looking all over for this chair, and I saw it, and I was being real cheap. And then when I finally went to go buy it, couldn't find it, and it took me like 4 stores, and I finally got it. I'm like, let me go get it. It was only $40, but of course I was being cheap, like I said. But it's so comfortable, and I like the fact that I can just lay back and sit and read. And then I have this little beanbag ottoman that I'm actually going to get rid of. I had this in my old bedroom in my old apartment when my bedroom was pink, and I kept it. I got this from Walmart, but I saw a gold and pink ottoman. It's also from Burlington, which I'm going to get. I think it was only like $24 because my intentions is to have the ottoman like sit up front right here, and I can put my feet up, and then I can just, you know, read my book. And then these pictures on the wall, let's see, I got the first one. That's old. You guys seen this before. That was from Target for about $30. 3 small rectangle ones, they came from the dollar store. This one I printed out. I took from a DVD. It's one of my favorite movies called Claudine with Diane Carroll, and it was in the DVD. It was a special edition. So what I did is I just printed it out, put it in the frame, and that frame was from the dollar store. This is another picture that I printed out. It's Ebony magazine, and the frame is from the dollar store. Then you guys have seen this picture I got from a store called City Trends for like $5. And then this I got from TJ Maxx years ago. Of course, the 3 pictures that I printed out, I wanted to have pictures of people reading. So the first picture is Dorna Herson, the second is Natalie Cole, and the third is Malcolm X. Then lastly is the desk area. Now, this area hasn't changed. I got this desk. I did a desk makeover a couple of months ago. I'll put it down in the description. And you guys remember I ended up accidentally breaking my laptop. I don't know how I did that. And I found like a little janky one I had some years ago. Ended up getting another laptop. I really love this because it can fold like a tablet. And it's just so nice. I love it so much. Of course, I wanted a stand to kind of prop it, and I had to get this because it's gold, and I got this from Target. It's like gold and acrylic, and it works perfectly. This is about $30. Still have my same keyboard from Amazon. Everything on here came from mostly Amazon and the dollar store. I got this iPad stand from Amazon. The newest thing I would say on this desk, like I got like 2 days ago, was this, again from Burlington for about $3. Last thing I want to show you guys from this area, my picture that I just absolutely love. This picture right here, I got once again from Burlington. When I tell you Burlington is my new store right now, like you can't tell me anything. I went to Burlington Saturday and went back on Monday, 2 different locations. That's how I'm obsessed with Burlington right now. I got this for only $20, and I also have another picture that's in my bedroom. My bedroom's black and white and gray, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. But I have to get this. I wanted to put it right here because sometimes I will just look up and just stare at it because it's so pretty. So oh, love it. Alright you guys, so that is my finished tour of my library. Once again, I love it because of the space, and if I need to, I could add more shelves, and oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you, and I'll be back with more black books. Bye.